नमस्ते, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुविधा का भोपाल से. So yes, it's Friday 2 p.m. and I'm back with something new and something different for you, as we are Indians always ready to welcome our festivals, and already we have just celebrated Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Chaturthi, and yes, now we are ready with Navratri to welcome Durga Mata. So here we are with this beautiful collection for Navratri special. As you can see, मैंने बहुत ही प्यारा चनिया चोली पहना हुआ है with multi color dupatta. So yes, today I'm going to show you all the beautiful chaniya choli that we have for you. नवरात्रि स्पेशल. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू, जो भी लोग हमारे साथ नए जुड़े हुए हैं, एवरी फ्राइडे वी लॉन्च सम न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड वीडियो के अंदर आपको वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए जाते हैं, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो यू कैन सी द डिस्क्रिप्शंस, पिक्चर्स ऑफ ऑल दोज प्रोडक्ट्स, कोड्स आर देयर, प्राइजेस आर देयर, एंड फॉर ऑर्डर you have to connect with us at 9039717636. So let me start showing you today's products. Here we have these beautiful chaniya. The first chaniya is on, it's a royal blue color and it has multiple mirror work all over, and it has these beautiful tassels, handmade beautiful tassels, and the length of these skirts are generally 36 to 41. And yes, this a beautiful bird is just at the back of me, जिसकी आवाज़ शायद आपको आ रही होगी. So enjoy these beautiful, the gift of nature. So this is our first skirt. Then second we have on beautiful mushroom. So guys, first मैं आपको सारी चनियाज दिखा रही हूँ, फिर आप मिक्स एंड मैच करके कुछ उसके साथ ब्लाउजेस भी दिखाऊंगी. So this is on mushroom silk, beautiful tassels. Then we have this red color ka skirt and it's a bandhani print, beautiful border and tassels. Each and every piece is so beautiful and unique in itself. And this is one piece that we have plain black and border, and it has beautiful mirror work at the border of the skirt, and these all are handmade. And the second piece that we have is black and rust ka combination, and it also has mirror work, and of course it has beautiful tassels too. These are on cotton. And next we have on blue. There are two different shades of blue. This is light blue and all over small mirrors are there, and it has these beautiful tassels. And the second is little bit dark blue, and it also has all over the handmade mirror. Next piece we have on cotton. It's a black cotton ajrak skirt, and all over it has this mirror work and beautiful tassels. And one piece on ajrak. It's a blue color, and on the border it has mirror work. This is very light, comfortable, 4 to 5 meter of flare. Then this is on maroon color with yellow border, and it has mirror work at the down. And these are 5 meter flares, 5-6 meters of flares you can see all over the mirror work. So these are only chaniyas that we have, and then we'll show you few blouses also. If you want to get done mix and match, even you can use your own blouses as well. Now few sets, full sets we have on mushroom silk also. So this is the chaniya, and this is the choli ka piece we have. One piece I'll open it for you. It has this beautiful blouse piece. This will be the front or back, whatever way you want to use, and these are the sleeves. Okay, so it's almost 1.2 meter, and you can make 16-17 inch ka aram se choli. And yes, it has these beautiful मल्टी पैचेस दुपट्टा। एंड ये जो दुपट्टास हैं दीज आर वेरी यूजफुल कांथा हैंडवर्क दुपट्टास। सो दिस इज लाइक फ्रंट and these are reversible, so you can use from the other side as well, and they look very nice with your skirts, with your suits, so you can use them in so many different ways. So this was the first color that we have. It's a golden color. This was the golden color, dark mustard golden color. Then we have a combination of navy blue and magenta, and we have this rust color, and we have this green color, green with magenta. So these were the 4 pieces we have on mushroom. Here we have full sets on pure cotton. Yes, these are pure cottons. Those who want just totally a comfort zone में नवरात्रि enjoy करना चाहते हैं, डांडिया खेलना चाहते हैं, so this is the skirt. And it has this beautiful zigzag blouse piece, and you can see it has this indigo का बहुत ही सुंदर दुपट्टा. And yes, handmade tassels are there. They are so beautiful to give a dandiya wali feelings. And yes, this set has beautiful neck piece. And few tassels are there. आपको tassels बनाने का all items are there. So this is the first piece that we have of pure cotton. We have 2 more sets on it. This is on Frozy, and this is the blouse piece, and this is the dupatta. Pictures में आपको सारा अच्छे से दिख जाएगा. The next piece we have, it's again a double combination, and it has this beautiful dupatta, and this is the blouse piece, and the neck piece and tassel strings are all here. So these were the 3 pure cotton sets we have, and one set we have displayed over here. It's a double layer skirt. You can see इसके ऊपर से भी एक और लेयर दिया हुआ है. It's a pure cotton. Beautiful tassels are here, and this is the blouse, and it has this dupatta with it. It's a full complete set, and at the back you can see a beautiful round work with mirror work. All over the mirror work is there. So this is a very beautiful lovely set on cotton. And this one more skirt we have on mushroom silk. It's almost 9 meter of flare is there, and you can see इसके नीचे पूरा pleated border दिया हुआ है, and it has this beautiful blouse matched to it. Full sleeve. This is the front, and it's a padded blouse, and this is the back. And guys, we are having few regular skirts also, like cottons में हैं, जो लोग सिर्फ cottons को enjoy करना चाहते हैं this नवरात्रि. So I'll show you. This is the one piece that we have with muster and side panels. So you can do mix and match with your regular ajrak blouses, cotton blouses. They look very nice. So this is the first piece. Then we have different prints. I'll just open one more piece for you. It's on olive. Border and side tassels. And we are having so many different prints. मैं आपको सारे खोल के नहीं दिखा रही हूँ because then video will become so lengthy. So these are the different prints that we have. And few skirts we are having plain colors also, like plain black, magenta, green. I'll just open one piece for you. So this is a maroon, and these are very comfortable. मतलब आप जब डांडिया खेलते हैं, so they go very nice with the flares and comfort. So and they have very beautiful tassels, handmade tassels. So it's like this, and we we have blouses also, cotton blouses. You can ask separately if you are looking out for the blouses also. For these different skirts, we are having these different 5-6 colors: black, magenta, bottle green, navy blue. This is ajrak. This is ajrak skirts. So these are the different pieces that we have. Now I'll show you fatafat the beautiful blouses that you can do mix and match, because guys we all have to accept जो blouses होते हैं ना, they themselves give a very fresh look to our whole sari, whole chaniya. So let me show you these beautiful gorgeous collection of the blouses. So this is our first piece. This is all handmade embroidery, and this is the first piece. It's on cream color kala cotton. गाइज शायद आपको पिक्चर में या वीडियो में ये वाइट कलर दिखेगा, बट लेट मी टेल यू इट्स अ क्रीम कलर एंड इट हैज़ दिस ब्यूटिफुल बैक एंड स्लीव्स पे भी यू कैन सी इट्स हैज़ दिस हैंडमेड हैंड वर्क इज डन. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट पीस. आई शो यू फटाफट द सेकंड ब्लैक, and they all are 42 to 44 sizes and they have margins inside. And yes, it's on beautiful maroon mushroom silk. Then we have one more piece on mushroom silk. These are very perfect, like हमने जो यहाँ पर मशरूम सिल्क का स्कर्ट लगाया हुआ है. I'm just showing you few combinations. Those who want to buy the full combination, see, it's look perfect. सो इन दिस वे ऑल्सो यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट कि अगर आपको ये ब्लाउज पसंद आ रहा है, ये स्कर्ट पसंद आ रहा है, सो यू कैन डू द मिक्स एंड मैच विथ योर ओन चॉइस. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू फ्यू ऑप्शंस. एंड दिस इज डार्क गोल्डन कलर. देन वी हैव इट्स मशरूम पे मरून कलर, डार्क मरून कलर. This is on glaze cotton पे black, front and back neckline पे क्या हुआ है. Then again one more piece on mushroom पे. This is all handwork. And yes, there are 3 different colors that we have. The one blouse that I am wearing, this is on green color kala cotton, and this is the first piece. This is on navy blue. And multiple colors का mirror work is there. It's look very nice with all the combinations. So one should have in their wardrobes, I must suggest. And this is on maroon. And yes, one more piece we are having on cream color. So guys, these all were heavy mirror work blouses. Few we are having a collection for little bit of light work also. Like this is the first piece, and these all blouses are padded. So this is front and this is back. Like मैंने आपको बोला था, I'll just show you one combination. So this will be like your first piece. You can do the mix and match in this way. One combination that I am showing you. This is skirt, blouse, and this is the dupatta. So if you want to get it done with few dupattas also, we'll share the pictures to you and you can add with your order. And if you don't want, you can buy each and everything separately. Choice is totally up to you. We are just showing you the options. So this is the first combinations that you can go through. And one combination is like this is skirt, and you can go with this beautiful blouse with it. So this is the one combination that I would like to show you. So these are the combinations that we have. Different colors blouses. This is back. This is on mustard yellow. This is on blue. These are very comfortable. Regular use में भी आप इन ब्लाउजेस को यूज़ कर सकते हैं to do the mix and match with your sarees. So this is next combination. This is on black. Sorry. So the thing is that these are the very common colors, even you can team up with your sarees. This is yellow mustard lining and this is black. So these are the different collection that we have for the blouses also, and one very beautiful, it's on mustard bandage ka. This is the back of the blouse and sleeves में भी ये पूरा work is there, hand work. So these are the few different blouses that we have, and few we have long proper cholis also, like this is on red color, and I think this will give you a perfect look with this skirt. So you can see the combination looks very nice, and this is the back of this choli, and it has side में भी पूरा work, hand work is there. So this is the one combination, and few cholis we are having on indigo. Yes, this is all looks very nice, very comfortable. While if you don't want to carry the dupattas, these cholis are perfect example for the perfect combination to wear with. These are long, covered your tummy very nicely, and frill is there, and they are in free sizes like 40 to 44, and you can extend it till 46 easily. So it's like choice is totally up to you. And we have one more print in it. So this is the next. So guys, this was the beautiful collection for you people, Navratri special from Studio Sui Dhaga Bhopal. Hope you liked it, and for order, as you know, you have to connect with us at 9039717636. And I know you all must be waiting to know what is the offer of the day. So this is the offer of the day. Now you can see all the pictures with their codes, with their descriptions written on the picture. Please watch very carefully. आप जब उसको order करें, length is there, what is the length, what is the fabric, everything is there, code is there. Each and every piece is a single piece, So please order soon. Don't get confused what to order, what not to order. पहले अपने wardrobe में check करें what you want. You want skirt, you want blouse, you want dupatta, or you want everything. For dupattas, you can ask for the pictures. I'll share you with the pictures. So guys, hope you enjoy this video too. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy your Navratri with your family, with your friends. See you next week, same time, same channel. This is Anuja Chen from Studio Sui Dhaga Bhopal.